Good morning, welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday. My clock is broken, so I don't know what time it is. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 10:13 a.m.
It's 10:13 a.m. and I have to leave for church in like 30 minutes, and I also have to eat breakfast, so I'm kind of stressed out right now because I just finished my video that I uploaded today. I'll link it down below if you haven't seen it, but I spent so long working on it. I spent like all day yesterday working on it and then all morning this morning doing it, so it's taken a really long time and I'm really happy that I finished editing it. But I need to get ready for church now and eat breakfast. Okay, I've already eaten like half of it, but this is my breakfast. I have an egg and toast and fruit. Okay, I'm in my bathroom, I'm about to get ready, but I wanted to like go over the plan for today. I normally do that at the beginning of my vlogs just because I like it. When I'm watching other people's vlogs, it's fun to like preface and see what that person's doing that day. So I'm gonna go to church today like I do pretty much every Sunday, and then I'm gonna go with my family to the mall because we're gonna do some shopping for our summer vacation. I was just talking to Grace, one of my best friends, that literally why is there yellow on my shirt? I just realized that. Excuse me? Is that egg? That's not egg. Okay, Allie has joined me. Say hi.
Hi.
Anyway, I still don't know what this strange yellow substance on my shirt is, but anyway, as I said, after church, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go with my family.
5 minutes.
We have to leave in 5 minutes? Are you serious? Whoops. Anyway, I have to leave to church in 5 minutes, as you just heard, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go with my family to the mall and we're gonna go shopping a little bit for summer vacation, because I was just talking to my friend Grace about this yesterday, about how we are so surprised at how quickly summer and like the end of school is coming. Like, don't get me wrong, I'm so excited for summer and all that, but it's just so shocking how fast this year has gone by so far. I even said that in my latest vlog, I think, that I can't believe it's already April. I can't believe how quickly this vacation is gonna come, and I'm just gonna need to like start packing. I'm gonna have finals and just like everything, so
I'm gonna pack after finals.
Allie, we literally have finals one day and then we leave the next day.
Actually?
Yeah.
Oh, well then I'm packing both.
I know. We leave on May 24th. Blush.
Why?
Why? Allie,
it's a V. Why?
it's not that bad. No one's gonna notice because no one's gonna be that close to your face.
But it is bad.
It's fine, you're obsessing.
It's so noticeable, Katie.
Allie, it looks fine. I am still not even dressed. I've done like only a quarter of my makeup. This is like the story of my life. Every Sunday, I try to get things done in the morning before church, and I fail. I know what I'm gonna wear, but I need to put it on. You know what? Let's just put it on, because that way, if I'm not in time, I can just go with like half my makeup done. So, bam, outfit is on. Got my shoes I need to put on, and I'm almost done with my makeup.
This is so frustrating.
Your mascara?
Mm-hmm.
You're still worried about that? Did you take it all off?
No.
It looks fine. Just use my comb, my eyelash comb. Okay, makeup's done. I'm off to church now, finally. I just dropped my shoe. And I forgot to turn off this light, and my person's caught on the door. Are you literally kidding me? Okay, we finished church and we came to this awesome place downtown. I'm in the bathroom right now because I didn't want to vlog out there, so there's so many people, and I always get awkward vlogging in public if there's a lot of people. Like, if there's a few people, I'm fine with it, but if there's like a bunch of people and it's really crowded, I get really awkward vlogging in public. So I'm in the bathroom. I'm about to go order. I'm so excited because this place literally has the best Aussie bowls. They're so good. Anyway, that's the update. I don't know what we're gonna do after this. We might go shopping a little bit downtown. Might do that, but I'll update you guys when I get my Aussie. All right, I got my bowl. I have chocolate nibs and bananas on top.
What's the purple stuff underneath?
It's called acai. Okay, update. I'm back home. It is currently, my clock is wrong. As I mentioned this morning, it says it's currently 8 p.m. but it's currently like 1:44, and I have been a bad vlogger today. I barely vlogged this morning, so I'm gonna try to vlog a lot the rest of the day. I'm gonna leave to go to the mall with my brother. in a little bit, but I have a few like random things that I want to take care of first. Really quickly, I want to show you guys my outfit for today. Need to find a mirror. Okay, this is my outfit for today. I think it's really perfect for a day like today because I can wear it to church and then I can also wear it the rest of the day like to lunch or shopping, and it looks appropriate because it's casual. So my sunglasses are from Forever 21. I love them, but the one thing that I don't like about them is they're that style that has, I don't know what you call these, whatever rests on your nose right here, and whenever I pull them out of my hair always gets caught in them. So that's the one downside, but it doesn't have anything to do with the sunglasses. It's just like a normal design that like 50% of sunglasses have. So I'm wearing those sunglasses. My top is from Tilly's. I got it a while ago, and then my dress that I'm wearing is also from Tilly's. I love it. I think it's so cute. And then these booties that I'm wearing are from Windsor. I've had them for a while, and that's my outfit. Also I was wearing a black purse, and if you're wondering where that's from, it's Target. Okay, now I'm gonna fix this atrocious mess and finish organizing this. Yesterday I literally organized everything and put it in its little container, and so that's why I used the word atrocious, because it looked so much better yesterday than it did today. And then also my drain is clogged for like the 5th time this week, and that's why there's water in it, because I turned it on one day and it just wouldn't drain. So I need to get my dad to help me with that because I am not handy with that kind of stuff. I don't know how to fix the drain, so that needs to get fixed at some point. And then I don't even know why I have this hairbrush here.
Up early in the morning just to feel.
Okay, I'm walking backwards because the lighting is better this way, but I just got to the outlet mall with my brother. Matthew, do you want to say hi to the vlog? There he is, and we're gonna go shopping. Mainly for the vacation that we're going on this summer because it's only like a month away. So I'll update you guys if I find anything cute. So good. So good. I'm gonna tip her. Okay, literally the cutest stuff ever here. I want everything. It's all so cute. All right, time to try on. Okay, I scratched my chest on a little tag thingy. That's why it's all red, but this is the first thing. I actually really like this. It does come down a little bit low, but I think it's so cute. I love the buttons and the tie. How cute is this romper? You can't really see because of the lighting in here, but it has buttons down the top part, and then the shorts are flowy. So cute. Okay, I'm currently in Vans. I don't own a pair of Vans shoes, but I think they're really cute, and I really like this pair. But they're just expensive. That's the one thing I have a problem with. But I'm gonna try these on, and I'll show you guys what they look like on. Okay, we're pretty much done shopping. I feel like we've been here forever, and I said I would vlog more today, but I like barely vlogged anything here. So I'm about to meet my brother and my mom at Starbucks, and we're gonna get a drink and then go home. Also, in case you're wondering, everything I got, I'll be doing a summer haul soon, so stay tuned. Got the goods. I also got a cheese stick, but I already ate that. Put it on. Bop. Okay, we're home, and it is dinner time. My angel of a mother made the family chicken teriyaki with broccoli for dinner. So excited to eat it. Looks so good. Okay, update. It is currently 7:28 p.m. I haven't vlogged in a little bit, and I really wanted to be good at vlogging today, and I kind of have failed, but after dinner I came upstairs to my computer to choose the giveaway winner from my giveaway that I did with Janella Bay. I had over 200 entries, so thank you so much if you entered. I'm like out of breath because I ran up the stairs, but I just chose the winner. It was a random comment picker site. I put in everyone's extra entries and all of that, and the winner was Bellavango14. This is her Instagram. It's right here, so congratulations if you're watching. Also, if you didn't win, please don't get discouraged because I'm gonna be doing a lot more giveaways on YouTube and Instagram in the near future. But now I'm gonna go swim with my siblings in the pool because my dad heated our pool. Also, after I swim, I want to make my lunch for school tomorrow and just finish prepping for the week. Got my swimsuit and I'm gonna go swim.
Oh, as heavy falls, heavy falls, heavy falls down on me.
Vlog time. This is so creepy because of the steam coming out. But hi guys, I'm currently in the hot tub here. Anyway, we're probably gonna swim for like 10 more minutes, get out, and then, oh, the hot tub just went off. And then I will update you guys when We got out. Okay, this is literally the most creepy lighting ever. Let's just leave this here. Okay, update. It is currently, wow, I look like a goat. But it is currently 9:11 p.m. and I am now in my comfy clothes. I have these sweats on that are my favorite from Old Navy, and then this top on from Target that I literally wear every day of my life. It says be kind. It's just the softest material ever. But I want to go to bed earlier tonight, and I usually go to bed so late. It's really bad. I go to bed at like 11 because I stay up editing or just doing random things that I procrastinated. So all I need to do before I go to bed is make my lunch for tomorrow. I set out all my clothes for the week over here. They all look the same because I go to a private school, so I wear a school uniform. I'm gonna make my lunch, possibly eat something for dessert since my dad literally got mint cookie crunch ice cream from the store today. God bless. I love that stuff. So I'm gonna go eat some dessert, make my lunch, and obviously you guys will come with me. Okay, this is my dessert. I'm eating some chocolate pudding, and I need to start eating healthier because summer is coming faster than we all know it. I'm gonna have that summer bod. Also, my lens keeps popping out, so disregard that. But here's my dessert. I'm gonna make my lunch now. Okay, let's do some trail mix. Definitely these are so good. This one's cinnamon. What are these? Ooh, these are white cheddar Cheeto Puffs. I've never tried these. Let's try these right after I say I'm gonna eat healthier. Snacks. We'll start tomorrow. Actually, this is my lunch for tomorrow. Just kidding. We'll start the day after tomorrow on our eating healthy.
As before.
All right, here's my lunch. I have my 3 snacks in here. And then for like my main meal-ish, I'm gonna have this protein pack. These are the best, and the best part is that there's chocolate covered almonds. And this has 10 grams of protein, so it's cheese, chicken, and then the chocolate covered almonds. And then I have some cucumbers and a cutie, and there we go. That is actually, I don't know why I'm putting that in there. These need to go in the fridge, and then I'll put them in here and throw it in my backpack tomorrow morning. Okay, update. It is currently 9:45 p.m. This lighting, like the lighting in this vlog as a whole has just been so weird. So I'm very sorry if the lighting is bothering you. It's also bothering me, so that's okay. Hopefully it'll be fixed when I go in and color correct this. As I said, it's currently 9:45 p.m. and I am so happy to be in bed, like going to bed at 9:45, because as I said, I've been going to bed so late the past few nights, and it's honestly so bad. Like, I need to get on a better sleep schedule. So I'm eating some apples right now, and apples are like my favorite snack. I always forget how good apples are until I have them again. Anyway, I'm gonna go to bed probably at like 10 o'clock. So I thank you all so much for watching today's vlog. I hope you all have an amazing day and an amazing week or weekend or whenever I'm uploading this video, whatever's coming next. Subscribe below in case you haven't already so that you don't miss out on any of my future content. Thumbs up this video if you want to see more vlogs from me in the future. Remember, you all are beautiful and you're amazing. Also, eat some apples today. Bye!